Well, hello folks. My name is Digvijay and thank you so much for coming back to Foodie TV. Today it is going back to the memory lane of school life, and possibly you would have eaten this food in your college days as well, in your hostel days as well, and also now. Yes friends, I'm talking about Maggie. लेकिन मैं ये सिंपल मैगी नहीं खा रहा हूँ. I am not eating the normal preparation, but I am adding a little bit of twist into the Maggie, where my wife has added some several types of masalas, including the Maggie masala, and that gives an amazing flavor to this magic masala Maggie that you usually will find on the streets of various cities across India. So without any further ado, let's start our video and let's start tasting. Hot Maggie. But along with that, you will be seeing something special, and this is, we used to call it as a additional bonus during our days of our school, if we could afford to buy an omelette with magic Maggie that we used to get on the streets. As you can see, it's a usual texture of what Maggie is all about, and of course there are some tomatoes, some onions, and some green peas to garnish it with. The masalas are cumin powder, dhania powder, you have chili powder, and of course the magic masala of the Maggie that you get in the packets. Amazing. I'm very sure that you will be getting back to your memory lanes and nostalgia feeling of having hot Maggie after a class that might have got over, or possibly bunking the class and going out and having some Maggie outside your school. The omelette is pretty simple. As you can see, this omelette has only the egg and the salt, no onions, because if you have onions in the omelette when you're having a Maggie which has a good generous amount of onions, that doesn't kind of complement that well. Amazing. Aren't you getting hungry? And you know what? Maggie is a dish that anybody can make at any point of time. It can be midnight, it can be early morning, or even if you have not eaten your dinner, you can basically substitute it with this amazing Maggie. But the simplicity dates back into the years of World War. That is when Maggie was invented. And I'm saying invented because it created a revolution after the Maggie was got into the market. Maggie comes under instant categories. That would mean you would require the minimum amount of ingredients or infrastructure to make this dish and fill your stomach. During the World War, the soldiers were given packets of Maggie that they could make with hot water when they're in the middle of the war field. During a lot of unfortunate times, when civilians and families did not have any food to eat during the war, there were a lot of governments of different countries who supplied Maggie as ration to the families. I'm just enjoying this flavor. Folks, I know you would have tried this multiple times, but I would suggest get back to your kitchen, buy a small packet of Maggie and experiment with it. Different kinds of flavors that you can bring from your house. The beauty of Maggie is that you can experiment with this dish with multiple number of ingredients. For example, a lot of people add Tabasco sauce to make it a little tangy and spicy, and that spicy doesn't much affect your palates, but the tanginess gives you a different approach. Even there are a lot of people who add chicken nuggets into the Maggie. There are other kinds of masalas and sauce which kind of help you to prepare this in a Indian Chinese kind of a preparation. You can see this is a very typical omelette, but with no onions. And trust me folks, this is actually pretty well complementing this Maggie, because Maggie already has a good amount of onion flavor to it, which was added during the preparation. Well, I'm too disappointed that I'm nearing to the end of the Maggie eating session, because how much ever you eat this, it is always less. So today's video comes to an end. It was short, sweet, just like Maggie, and I love this Maggie, and you can eat it anytime you want. I wanted to share this episode because sometimes in life you come across very minimalistic things. You might not have a lot to enjoy things with, but always remember, a lot of things can be enjoyed with its own minimum value, or minimalistic is what I believe. Especially in these times when things are not abundantly available, or there are a lot of other issues that a lot of families are facing, simplicity also brings happiness. Thank you so much folks for watching this video, and I hope that you are safe and sound at home and you're not venturing outside. In next episodes we'll try to bring you more innovative, different kind of dishes prepared from across the nation, and enjoy the food that we eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, comment, and of course subscribe to this video. Till then, goodbye.